Thanks for watching Twisted TV, and welcome to the channel. Let's take a little sneak peek on what's coming up on tonight's episode. We definitely have some suspicious activity, not to mention some reckless parking. We have creeps and we have more creeps doing their worst while of course caught on CCTV. Not to mention this strange person on your front porch during late hours of the night while you're sleeping. And that's just a warm-up. So as usual, grab the popcorn and your favorite beverage. Don't forget your favorite blanket. Dim the lights, and let's get started.
Welcome to the channel. You're now watching Twisted TV.
Brace yourself. I am gonna go out on a limb here and say the driver was more than likely ship-faced. This idiot is lucky to be alive if you ask me. And even luckier, he didn't kill someone else. Don't be like this jackass and get behind the wheel after consuming some liquid courage. Use your brain and call an Uber. As always, let us know your thoughts in the comments. We have a night chooch in this next clip. Not only out and about at night looking for ship to steal, this lowlife seems to have no conscience or remorse for what he steals. He steals the homeowner's child's bike. Really, absolutely shameful. How does he sleep at night? Probably snug like the low-life bug that he is, and probably with a stolen comforter. Lesson to be learned from another unfortunate sad ordeal is keep your ship locked up. Like a stealth ninja in all white, he disappears into the shadows of the night. And yes, for all we know, he could have been a poet and we didn't know it. Please share your thoughts in the comments. Stolen item in this next clip. Let's take a look together and watch the madness unfold before our eyes. People really don't give two ships these days, do they? Homeowner said this was embarrassing on his part, and that this low-life thief needs to find a job instead of stealing items from hard-working people. We at Twisted TV couldn't agree with you more. Oopsie. Another car accident clear as day, as you can clearly see. You should always try and be vigilant, especially behind the wheel. You never know when disaster could strike. It looks to me the vehicles obstructing traffic was more than likely at fault. Watch this cop drive by here in 2 seconds and not stop. What the fudge? Thankfully, no one was seriously injured or worse. With that being said, let's sit back and watch the aftermath unfold. And if you made it this far in the video, please consider showing your support for the channel by hitting that like and subscribe button in the face. Like it's a porch pirate stealing your packages. Do you think he has a good view from here to soak it all in? Maybe if he scratches his head 3 more times, a genie will magically awaken him from a horrible nightmare. He's probably thinking at this point, not only was it a bad idea to obstruct traffic, but an even worse idea to park the wrong way. Hope a lesson can be learned from these lazy and stupid decisions that resulted in this chaos. Whether you're doing work or not, if you're going to be obstructing traffic and risking injury or an accident, that ship should be tapped off with signs and cones. Let us know your thoughts on who you think was at fault in this unfortunate situation and why. Gremlin creeping at night. This homeowner caught a gremlin on his property red-handed stealing a decoration flag from his property. Let's see how the homeowner handles the situation. Please share your thoughts on what drugs this woman could possibly be on. She is clearly under the influence of something other than the alcoholic beverage in her hand.
Hey, what are you doing in front of my house? Get out of there. Hey! No! Drop it! Stop that! Just get away from in front of my house. I'm gonna call the police right now.
Talk about strange and unusual behavior. Someone check this woman into a rehab facility and get her the help she so obviously needs. Be vigilant and turn them notifications on now. Scumbag thief in this one. Check this bold and brazen criminal out. He don't give no fucks. He walks all calm and confident like it's a free yard sale or he owns the place. He made off stealing a wood-cutting machine, neighbors said.
Hey, that's right. Hey, what do you want? Son of a bitch. Hey, nothing for me.
Jesus, why did you not throw that brick?
I think you know, yeah.
And like that, another one bites the dust. In this case, unfortunately, it's the victim here, Jesus. Smash and grab is all I got on this one. I'm gonna shut up for once and just play the clip. If you're not yet subscribed, now would be a great time to hit that like, notifications, and subscribe button. And as always, my friends, please share your thoughts with me in the comments. And thanks for watching. You can tell this guy was down with grabbing and dashing some ship. Hell yeah, he's about to get him some. That is, until his better half literally pulls his ass back and makes him leave.
Where did everyone go? This is weird. Did I just enter the Twilight Zone or something? Oh, wait a second. Now, just another grab and dash. This is like the third one this week, and it's only Monday. What is this world coming to?
Here's a man that had his notifications on, and unfortunately not his running shoes. We have some stolen property in this clip. Sadly for the homeowner, he was $1 short and a day late in catching these criminals. Don't worry, karma will catch up soon enough. Late night prowler on this residence property. Talk about creepy, not to mention scary and disturbing. Some would say nightmares start out this way. Not sure what he steals off the front porch of the residence property. Looks like a gallon of milk, but I'm not sure and can't really tell. What do you think, and what the hell is that hose he is dragging along with him? Talk about things that go bump in the night. Oh, the neighbor's hose. He appears to try and wash his dirty feet. I guess at least he took it off the porch. What would you do in this situation? Say you wake up in the middle of the night and find this stranger on your front porch. Porch pirate in full Grinch mode. Keep an eye out for this criminal if you're in the area. Not a care or scare in the world as usual. Hell, I guess in this idiot's mind it's Christmas early, and he don't give a damn. The homeowners said to stay vigilant, despite bright porch lights, security cameras, etc. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider hitting that like and subscribe button in the face like it's a porch pirate stealing your packages, or in this episode, stealing your woodcutting machine. In doing so, you won't miss out on new content uploaded weekly, most times daily. Hit that subscribe button now to join and be part of the Twisted TV crew today. Until next time, keep it classy, stay safe, and always be vigilant, my friends. And as always, thanks for watching.